The Curious Case of Bloat. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the English language once again to explore a term you might have heard but are unsure about: bloat. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Bloat is primarily a noun, but it can also be used as a verb. At its core, bloat refers to swelling or puffiness. When something becomes inflated or enlarged, usually because of a buildup of gas or fluid, we say it has bloated. For example, after eating a big meal, one might say, "I feel so bloated." If you leave a balloon out in the sun and it gets bigger, you might remark, "The balloon has bloated." The term bloat isn't just restricted to physical swelling. In English, we often use words metaphorically, and bloat is no exception. Software bloat. In the tech world, if a software grows larger and slower because of unnecessary features or coding, it's said to have software bloat. Bloat in animals. In veterinary medicine, bloat can refer to a serious condition where gas builds up in an animal's stomach, making it expand. This is particularly common in some large dog breeds and cattle. Let's look at some examples to understand its application. She felt bloated after eating so many beans. The new update to my phone has so much bloatware, unnecessary apps that I don't need. Farmers should watch their cattle for signs of bloat during the wet season. And there we have it, dear learners. The term bloat can be quite versatile, ranging from describing how we feel after a heavy meal to technical jargon in the software world. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, the English language is vast, and every term has its story. Keep exploring, and as always, happy learning!